Welcome back to Auto Car, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most exclusive and luxurious cars on the market, the 2025 Toyota Century. This flagship sedan has long been a symbol of sophistication and craftsmanship, and the 2025 model takes it to new heights. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Toyota Century boasts a timeless and regal presence. The front fascia is dominated by a large, intricate grille flanked by slim, jewel-like LED headlights. Every line and curve is purposeful, emphasizing the car's stature and elegance. The side profile is minimalist yet bold, with a long wheelbase, sculpted panels, and chrome accents adding to its premium appeal. Moving to the rear, you'll find distinctive vertical LED tail lamps that enhance its commanding look. Toyota offers a range of exclusive paint options, including deep, multi-layered colors like black and pearl white, which give the car an almost liquid-like finish. Inside, the interior is where the Century truly sets itself apart. Toyota has created an oasis of luxury, combining traditional Japanese craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. The cabin features premium materials like hand-stitched leather, real wood trims, and soft-touch suede surfaces. Rear passengers are treated to reclining seats with massage functions, along with an executive-style center console that includes controls for climate, audio, and seat adjustments. The ceiling boasts a starry sky LED illumination, elevating the atmosphere to that of a private jet. Technology is seamlessly integrated, with a large infotainment display, a digital driver's cluster, and even rear entertainment screens. Attention to detail is everywhere, from the hand-polished lacquer finishes to the ultra-quiet cabin. The 2025 Toyota Century isn't just about looks and comfort. It has performance to match its prestige. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful hybrid V8 engine delivering smooth, effortless acceleration. The suspension is tuned for maximum comfort, gliding over bumps and ensuring a silky ride. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured, the Century offers a supremely refined driving experience. Now, let's take a moment to talk about the history of the Toyota Century. First introduced in 1967, the Century has always been a car of distinction. It was designed to cater to Japan's elite, including royalty and business tycoons. Over the years, it has maintained its legacy of unmatched luxury while embracing modern innovations. The 2025 model continues this tradition, standing as a testament to Toyota's dedication to excellence. When it comes to price, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2025 Toyota Century starts at around $200,000. This positions it as a competitor to high-end luxury brands like Rolls-Royce and Bentley. However, the Century is not about ostentation. It's about understated elegance and impeccable craftsmanship. Lastly, let's highlight some of its standout features. These include a fully customizable rear cabin, active noise cancellation, adaptive air suspension, and advanced driver assistance systems. Every element of the car is designed to provide an unparalleled experience. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota Century. What do you think about this symbol of luxury and tradition? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more premium car reviews. This is Auto Car, and we'll see you in the next video.